Guys, welcome back for another review, a Hot Wheels review, and this time it is the ice cream quick bite van, the food truck. Right, you see that it's similar to the what do you call that? Another food truck that I have, or is the fried chicken food truck. All right, so here's the back of the Hot Wheels quick bite HR art car, 7 of 10. Right, here's the obligatory product information. Right, here's the nice Hot Wheels 115 or 250. The ice cream food truck from Hot Wheels, blue in color. I guess supposed to look at the food truck with the graffiti on its side. So right here's back, here's front. You can't. So here's yep, let me try get this out and let you have you a closer look at it. Alright, hi guys, so here's the ice cream truck from Hot Wheels quick bite out of the box. Alright, you do see it's blue in color. This is in contrast to the ice cream from the fried chicken version. Here you have a quick bite category logo here. You can see the ice particles or coming from the sides. You get a human face here or the vendor, and you do have the ice cream word plastered all over the sides. Right, this bit of black, white, and a bit of blue. Right, you can see ice particles, and here you have the views, which is painted nicely. Here's the back of it. There's no paint, and here's the ice cream truck again with a different color quick bite than the one in blue on the other side. The key side is a bit of yellow, and the Hot Wheels logo, and you have some basically the ice coming out from beneath the word. Alright, so here's the underneath the quick bite the vehicle, so it's made from Malaysia. Alright, so I think this is the 2017 version. If I'm not mistaken, this is metal. Right, and this is the wheels of plastic. Here's the front of the car, you can see the wheel, but it's not highlighted. So maybe in future versions, probably have a new version or an SDC exclusive will paint it more detailed. You will have the clear windows. You can see in through here. You can see the wipers. Alright. So you can see some of the lights here, grill, which is not highlighted. Right, and from the top you can see the E word EVE. However, you can see there's translucent vents from at the top of the food truck. Okay, you can see through the inside the bed. So in the inside of the food truck, you can see there is a bit of detail over here. You do see a bit of detail over here. I think this is the ice cream vendor goes in and drives the van, and you do have, you can see a bit of zoom in a bit. Alright, you can do now there's a person inside there with a bit of detail as well. Okay, and what basically the Hot Wheels put together is that add more details instead of just putting a purely orange color inside. So this is an improvement they could make, and for the wheels it's quite good. So probably in future versions this could be much more better. Since this is a Hot Wheels, so it rolls pretty well. There's no issue on that. The quality is basically it's basically unmatched. in terms of speed. Right, so this is a nice food truck to have in your collection. I hope you have more food truck coming in the future. Alright, so this is a review of the Hot Wheels quick bite ice cream truck for food truck version. Alright, this is Cool Boss Toast signing out. And then if you do like the review, click on the subscribe button below, and this help me bring you more reviews in the future. Right?